today is the day I am moving out into my first apartment. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That really messy closet's open. Today is the day I'm moving out into my first apartment and I'm so excited. I'm getting ready. I'm gonna take you guys through the whole day and vlog and show the move-in process. We have a U-Haul filled with a bunch of stuff and we're just gonna make one big move all today and get it all organized and in place. And yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna finish getting ready and then we are gonna get ready to go. Me and my boyfriend are getting Starbucks in the morning. I mean this morning. I don't know why I said in the morning. It is the morning. But yeah.
Hi. Hi, beautiful. Hi, cutie. You're so precious. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. It's go time. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Can I have 3 grande ice white chocolate mochas? Can I have them all with vanilla sweet cream cold foam, please?
There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I realized like the second time that you were whistling. So we just got into the apartment. I'm gonna show you guys around a little empty apartment tour. I'm so excited. It's beautiful. So it smells kind of bad in here though because this is a brand new apartment. No one's lived in here, so we were having the water running. Like I should run it honestly now. I stopped for the video, but so that the smell of the water, it kind of smells eggy almost, can get out of the, like just out of its system, you know. I'm gonna show you guys around and then, yep. So I'm standing at the front door and to the right of me is just where the water heater is. And then this is the view that you have when you first walk in. So I'm just gonna go this way. This is the kitchen. Here's our refrigerator. Nothing is in it yet. I will fill it though. And then our kitchen, there's so much kitchen space. This is the most beautiful kitchen ever. That's my mom's purse. But it's so much cabinet space. The ceilings are super high in here, which I love. But here's the kitchen, and then we got a little gift basket, but I'm not gonna show the name of the place just cause, you know, safety reasons. And then we have an island right here that I'm obsessed with. We have a dishwasher in the island. Here's our stove right here. And then our pantry right here. We're gonna fill it all up, but so much counter space and kitchen space. It's a beautiful kitchen. So there's the overview of that. I love the kitchen. And then right here is actually like a coat closet. So it's just looks like that. And then here's our little thermostat. But then here's our living room. We plan on putting a couch like here, but we don't get our couch until March, which sucks, but whatever. And then our TV is gonna be in front of that. And then we're gonna have a desk here. And then here's our balcony. It's just a little balcony. Yep, that's the balcony. I'm not really gonna show the location too much, but here's the overview of that. And then when you walk in here, here's the bedroom and then here's the bathroom. So here's our bedroom, it's carpeted. We have a nice big window, a ceiling fan, and then a door to the bathroom. And this is like our personal door to the bathroom. And then this is the hallway door to the bathroom. But here's the bathroom. It's not the best lighting in here, but we have a big mirror and then it's a lot of counter space. We have a lot of like storage space. Here's our shower. It's a glass door shower, beautiful like marble bench in here. super nice. I love the style of this apartment so much. The color is so cute. All the black and white is like my favorite. And then walking through the bathroom is our closet, which is so big for like compared to anything I had at home. It's so big, and our washer and dryer is in here as well. And then behind this door, we have built-in storage shelves, which is awesome. So yeah, that's the apartment. I'm so excited. Okay, so as we grab things, we're kind of just putting like anything that's in the closet. Those are random sheets in the bathroom, I don't know. TV, pillows. Don't look at my dirty pillow, it's old, shut up. Living room stuff. Here's our balcony chair. Stuff like that. So yeah, I'm out of breath. Kind of tiring, not gonna lie. There's a U-Haul that's also moving in today, and their U-Haul is packed tight with stuff. We're like, ugh, it could be a lot worse. We could have a lot more. They have like it shut, like everything, like to the brim filled. So
I'm a good filmer.
YouTube vibes. About to bring in the bed frame and stuff, so I'm gonna film it. Oh look, I didn't even know that was there. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna film. I'm bringing it in. Oh, yeah. Look at it. I put my makeup desk I bought from Wayfair on here. It's literally so nice. It was like, I think, $200, and it's so nice. Has like organization, and then you attach an LED light up mirror, and it's beautiful and it's perfect. So totally recommend this. I'll try to link things that I have down below in this video. So yeah.
Ryan, let's
Here's our TV stand. I love it so much. It's so cute. We don't have a couch yet, but here's this. We gotta bring the desk in. Kitchen's a mess. Bathroom's a mess. Toilet paper. Closet's filled up. I have to like go through, and I'm gonna hang and organize and color code all of our clothes. So, but there's so much space for clothes, so that's perfect. Yep, okay. I'm gonna move with this mirror by myself. If you've watched any of my I've never moved. My like room decor videos, you know that that thing is heavy. So, but I'm gonna try to move it myself into this corner. So, yeah. Good? For now, I don't know, maybe.
I think it's like shit. What is that? Is it a computer?
I'm gonna go see if I can
It's a puzzle we did together. This cute, I don't know, maybe? It's cute. I don't know. Everything will probably get moved and I don't know. We bought this little bucket cake container for our records because we have a record player. It's right here. There's our record player, and then we have 3 records so far. Meat Loaf, Morgan Wallen, and Ariana Grande. So that's super fun. Soup's fun. There, how cute. So fun. I have so much like random decorations everywhere. That's awesome. Love this desk area. This is for my boyfriend's computer, and so he can do school stuff here, and I can even work. My YouTube plaque is just sitting here right now. Thank you guys. I love you so much. You have no clue, but yeah, have a bubble wrap so it won't break. But yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited. This is gonna be my home. This is my home. It's not gonna be, it is my home. Isn't that crazy? Wait, one more. That's all of them. I literally ordered like 100, I think, Nespresso pods off of the Nespresso website, but I bought this little container for them. How cute. So cute. The lighting in this place is so freaking good. I love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. I'm gonna keep doing kitchen stuff. I have so much kitchen stuff. Here's a box. Here's a box. There's miscellaneous stuff literally everywhere. My cute fruit bowl. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna be doing that. I'll update you guys though. This is what the closet's looking like. It's a total mess. But yeah. Look, sweet little strands. So cute. We got this little nightlight. How cute. Look how cute. We love it. Little plant, little candle stuff. This is not going to be here, and that's not going to be there. None of this. Organize the shower a little bit. Here we are. I need to buy more soap. I got my little squeegee in there. Perfect. Little mat down. Mostly organized. And then here's the bedroom. I'm not keeping those like throw pillows on there. They're just there right now. And I also need to buy another sham. Oh, we have the dresser in here, and then my makeup desk. This is the one from Wayfair. See, it's like got a LED light, perfect for doing my makeup. I need to go through and organize my makeup and everything. But yeah, it has 3 different settings. But yeah, we've been getting a lot done. The boys returned to the U-Haul, and they're getting us Chick-fil-A. Okay, so this is what we got going on. I cleaned it off, but I need to buy like organization. Like, this is so messy. Under here's horrible. I need something. I mean, I have that, but I don't know how to put that together. There's that. Hair stuff. We hung some things, sort of started to. Tons of hangers. But yeah. I have this is really cool. This can be hung by your door or wherever, and you can actually like put your keys in it, or put a mask in it, or put a plant in it, whatever you want. This is from my cousin. She actually made it. I'll have her info down below. So definitely go check it out. It's really, really cute. Yeah.
Bear with me, I kind of have to tighten it up as I go or it'll be blowing everywhere.
Oh God. Hey, cutie. I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. That is literally so cute. I'm so excited. We're running the dishwasher if you're hearing something, but the Better Together sign, I got it from Amazon. I'll try to link it. So cute. I love it so much. Also, what the flip. Okay, I'm out. Oh, I'm out of focus. We got a dangly chair. I forgot to show that, but I'm still out of focus. Okay, so the Wi-Fi guy is here right now, but we need like an electrician or someone to come fix something because there's no power getting into where the thingy is for the Wi-Fi. So right now we have a power cord running through the bathroom to plug in so that we can get Wi-Fi tonight. But they'll have that fixed in the next couple of days, which is kind of annoying, but it's also like, it's okay. Whatever. But yeah, it's coming along so well. I can't wait until we get our couch and stuff. For now, before the couch, since we don't get the couch until March like 19th, I ordered a beanbag off of Amazon. Amazon. And so I'll have a beanbag in place of a couch for like a month and a half, which is fine, but I can't wait to get that. That comes in the next couple of days. And then I'll have the couch and I will do an apartment tour when it's fully done, but I don't know how long that'll be, but I'm so excited. It's coming along so good. So yeah, I'm so excited. We got this little like hanging chair. I'll show you when I stand up. It's cold outside. It's like freaking getting colder, but I'll show you the little dangly chair on our balcony. Soup's cute. But yeah, it's the next day. I'm looking really pale, but it's okay. I have no makeup on. I just made my coffee. It's the next morning. Did I say that already? I think I did. But we got all moved in. We obviously still have to buy some things and I need to put away groceries. We went grocery shopping. I need to buy another sham pillow. I want to buy like a runner rug for the kitchen. There's just little things here and there we need to get, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this first little move-in vlog. I don't think I'll have another move-in vlog, but I'll definitely have more apartment content coming so soon. I can't wait to get a couch. It's a month and a half away, but I'll have a beanbag soon, so that's good at least. But I just made a coffee. Look how cute. So cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like it and subscribe if you like this kind of content, or if you just enjoyed the video, subscribe please. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.